10 secret celebrity websites the internet quietly obsesses over. Celebrity culture goes way deeper than Instagram and TMZ. There are entire websites dedicated to tracking celebrity fame, money, fashion, rumors, analytics, and internet influence in real time. So here are 10 secret celebrity websites the internet quietly obsesses over. Social Blade. Social Blade tracks follower growth, subscriber counts, estimated earnings, and engagement stats across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. People use it to monitor creator growth in real time. Fans track subscriber battles. Brands analyze influencers. Creators compare analytics constantly. It basically turned internet fame into public statistics. Hype Auditor helps brands figure out whether an influencer's audience is actually real. It analyzes follower authenticity, engagement rates, audience quality, demographics, growth trends. A creator might have 1 million followers, but if most of them aren't active or fake, that number means very little. That's why brands use tools like Hype Auditor before signing sponsorship deals. It reveals the difference between looking famous online and actually having influence. Famous birthdays. Famous birthdays became one of the biggest internet popularity ranking systems online. Creators care heavily about rankings because visibility on the platform affects relevance and discovery. The site tracks TikTokers, YouTubers, actors, streamers, gamers, influencers. It also unintentionally became an archive of internet culture over the last decade. IMDb Pro is the industry version of IMDb. It includes casting information, representation details, production contacts, development projects, industry networking tools. Actors, agents, producers, and entertainment professionals use it constantly. It exposes the business infrastructure behind Hollywood. Spottern. Spottern identifies products and clothing celebrities use in movies, music videos, interviews, TikToks, TV shows. Users upload screenshots and the community finds exact products. Shoes, glasses, jackets, accessories. It turns celebrity fashion into internet detective work. Lipstick Alley. Lipstick Alley is a long-running celebrity discussion forum. The site contains industry rumors, celebrity discussions, internet investigations, fan theories, deep dives. A lot of online celebrity conversations quietly begin here before spreading elsewhere. The forum still feels very old internet, unfiltered and chaotic. Dumois. Dumois became one of the internet's biggest anonymous celebrity gossip platforms. Users submit celebrity sightings, industry rumors, behind-the-scenes stories, relationship speculation. The platform runs heavily on anonymous crowdsourced information. It turns celebrity gossip into collaborative internet investigation. The Fashion Spot Forums. This site focuses heavily on fashion discussions, celebrity styling, runway commentary, luxury brands, industry gossip. Users analyze celebrity image construction in extreme detail. Outfits, brand placements, public appearances, aesthetics. It reveals how engineered modern celebrity presentation really is. Celebrity Net Worth. Celebrity Net Worth estimates the wealth of actors, musicians, athletes, YouTubers, influencers, billionaires. The site became extremely addictive because it turns fame into visible financial rankings. People constantly compare celebrity wealth online. Internet Movie Firearms Database. This site catalogs weapons used in movies and television. Every firearm is documented scene by scene with screenshots and technical details. The database is insanely detailed and shows how niche internet obsession culture can become. And the interesting thing about all these websites is that they reveal celebrity culture isn't just entertainment anymore. It's data, tracking, analytics, fandom systems, internet investigation. The modern internet turned fame into something constantly monitored, measured, and analyzed in real time.